Okay, today we will be reviewing a 17-in-1 multi-tool. So let's open the package. This I bought at Walmart in 2024 for $9.88, model number 2119. Comes with the sheath or the holster that you see here. And the holster has a belt loop, so you can wear it on your belt. This is a great tool for facilities professionals, homeowners, do-it-yourselfers. Has a nice heavy-duty construction. There's your belt loop. Has a nice metal clasp or button to keep it closed. I like that. Multi-tools are great for facility professionals. If you're a plumber, electrician, handyman, maintenance professional. I carry one with me every day in my job. This is not a paid promotion for this product. This is from Ozark Trail Outdoor Equipment. Nice construction, not too heavy. Almost has like a black non-slip coating on it, it feels like. It claims to be all stainless steel construction. So you can see it opens up to a nice size. Got needle nose pliers and wire cutters there. Woo! And there's spring action in the handle. A closer look. So that's pretty nice. Let's take a look at some of the tools on this multi-tool. So you got your ubiquitous knife, great for cutting open packages, boxes, etc. And that's a saw. I think they actually call this a fish scaler, but it also has a ruler that's built into it, so that's nice.
Wow.
Then next to that, we got this file with a flathead screwdriver. And then you also have a Phillips head screwdriver. On the other side, got a bottle opener or a can opener. You got a saw, so if you have small tree limbs that you need to cut off, not sure how it would do on rope, probably like a small tree limb. And you got an awl. That's what that pointy device is there. It's an awl. It's a better view. So when I'm looking for a multi-tool, I look for something that's not too expensive, that has good reviews, stainless steel construction. The main tools I use would be pliers, wire cutters, the knife, flathead, and Phillips head screwdrivers. I don't care for the multi-tools that have these separate bits where you gotta carry the bits. I always worry I'm gonna lose them or they're gonna fall down somewhere and get lost. That's why I prefer these kind of multi-tools where the screwdrivers are integrated into the tool itself. Also has a little keychain there if you want to use that. So again, feels comfortable on the hands. I like that spring-loaded handle for the pliers, wire cutters. That's nice. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.